Hello guys, welcome back to Tupike African YouTube channel, where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode, we'll be making this meal, minced meat, with you guys. Kindly stay tuned as we make it together. So in a cooking pot, you let your oil heat up perfectly, and then we add in our red onions. So we are going to now add in our garlic. Let the garlic and onion cook for about 3 seconds. Then you can now add in your tomatoes, and you can still substitute the tomatoes to tomato paste. So we let this cook until we have a paste like a tomato paste like texture. So we have now obtained the tomato paste like mixture. You can either accelerate this by pounding or just letting your tomatoes cook by themselves. And then now have the main ingredient. You add in your meat at this juncture. Have to ensure that you've broken down all the large pieces, because you want all the meat to cook. You can also comment down below and tell me whether you boil and wash your minced meat before cooking. I would love to know. We are going to let it cook, and as you can see, while it's cooking, it's now starting to change its color. So we're on the right track. This is what I'm telling you. The raw meat is still red, and the other part of the meat is starting to have the ready meat color. This one, the brown color. After 15 minutes, this is how our meat looks like so far. We are now going to add in our source of vitamins, which is carrots, and you can also substitute carrots to peas or also incorporate carrots with peas. It really works well with both. The diced carrots are really giving the meat a good color. They really look yummy. We are now going to let the carrots cook for about 10 seconds, and then our beef is going to be ready. Then let's first of all add a little bit of salt. And as you can see, there is no need of adding water, because minced meat or any type of beef usually has its own water. But if you want it as stew, you can add water or broth. Our meal is finally ready, and you can eat this with either rice or even chapati. And thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you.